Today, y'all are in for a treat because we are sharing Shannon's family's secret recipe for the best spaghetti ever.
It has been in the family forever, but there is a secret ingredient that is so simple, but it really makes all the difference.
Yeah, and this is what it is.
No, you can't show them yet. They gotta watch the video.
Oh, okay. When we're talking about having spaghetti, I didn't just have it at home or Shannon have it at her family's house. We cooked this a lot on the wagon at ranches. Usually it was something that I knew I could throw together that was good and hearty, that was going to fill people up, because what does that pasta have in it? Carbohydrates, and them cowboys is working hard, and they are burning a lot of calories. So we'd have it, and I remember one time up there in New Mexico on the Bell Ranch, and a good friend of ours, Rim, was there, and he said, I know I ain't supposed to ask him, but he said, what are we having for supper? And I said, spaghetti with garlic bread. And he said, oh. Well, he sat down there and he took his first bite and he said, well, I didn't know it was going to taste like this. Ours never tastes like this. So we ended up cooking spaghetti probably 3-4 times in that 5-week period. Cowboys love it. But it's something that's really just a classic, that's easy to prepare, don't take much time. And this is a recipe that you'll want to do over and over at your house. So first thing we need to do is brown up us some 80/20 ground chuck. I like that sizzle. And I really think that there's a lot of people out there that have commented to me and said, well, I like to use like 90-10, which is 90% lean, 10% fat. Folks, I'm thinking that fat is giving me some flavor. I ain't wanting something that's going to fill the skillet halfway up with grease. I prefer 80/20 brown chuck every time I'm going to use some kind of burger meat. Well, you can see somebody's hard at work. Lulu, who has a brand new haircut, knows we have a mouse problem. So where is that schnauzer? Ain't he supposed to be bred to be a rodent dog? And here you are just waiting for handouts. And Duke is over taking a nap. So we're going to season this up a little with some of our original.
Now, can I say, this is not how Nana did it. She did not season it all, but just go ahead.
We'll get that browned up really well. I've probably got it over medium heat. Tilted that little skillet over, pushed all that ground beef to one side. Drain any grease that you might have in there. Turn it down to about a medium-low heat. The next thing is the tomato sauce in these little small cans. Now I know some of you are already saying, I thought you wasn't supposed to use tomato sauce or tomato-based products in cast iron. Now you can be using tomato-based products or acidic foods in cast iron if your cast iron skillet is seasoned very well and you clean it very well after that use and you re-season it every time. So now we're going to add some cans of water to our mix.
Pot's pretty full there, Kent.
Yeah, but it's going to be just right. Going to be just a fit, ain't it, Mage? Mage said when you get something that full, accidental splashes occur on the concrete and he cleans it up. So we're going to let it simmer, stirring occasionally until it warms up really well.
Now, Kent,
Whoa.
you know you can't have spaghetti without cheesy garlic bread.
Ooh, you got that right.
So, this recipe is not a family recipe, but it came from...
Well, they are a family.
Well, they're just not our family.
Yeah.
A friend of ours, when we were in Branson, Missouri, cooking at Silver Dollar City, she made this one day, and I was thinking, this is the weirdest thing I've ever heard of. Oh, it was so good.
It was so good.
Another, and maybe this is, you always say I'm a weird northerner because I'm from northern Nevada, but maybe this is a weird northerner thing that I've never heard of, and all of you watching are like, yeah, we've had this all the time. It's not a big deal. Mayonnaise is the base.
Yes.
Have you had this before?
I had it on hot dogs. We used to do hot dog buns like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, toast them.
No, but like the garlic bread version.
No.
Yeah, so
Not
okay,
since
so
Silver
maybe...
Dollar City.
Right, okay, so maybe it isn't a thing. But anyway, let's start off with, I'm gonna hand you 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Of course, we prefer Duke's. We've tried, a lot of you recommended Blue Plate. That was pretty good. We're still Duke's fans.
Okay, what's next?
Minced garlic.
All right.
I'm gonna add a little pepper, a little salt.
It smells good already.
I mean, it's the garlic, man. Okay, my favorite ingredient, Italian seasoning.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And then I'm gonna have you add in the grated Parmesan cheese, about a half cup. And if you guys followed us, you know all of our recipes in printable form, we always list on our website, so you don't have to sit here and write all the ingredients down as we're doing it. That's looking good, yeah.
Uh-huh. Now, do you butter that bread, or do you just put this on it?
I mean, you could. Butter's never gonna hurt anything, but I don't.
This smells so good.
I know. So I've cut a loaf of French bread in half, lengthwise. So please, let me know. Have
Yeah.
you heard of this? Have you tried this?
Is it something that y'all done? And,
Do you have any other favorite like ingredient that you put on your?
Me? I would. Now, do you have onion powder in this?
No, but you could. Onion powder, a little, well, I don't think you need to add garlic powder. A little smoked paprika would work
Ooh,
well.
yes.
And I'm not gonna do it today, but you could even top it after you spread this on with a little additional shredded cheese like mozzarella or more Parmesan.
I would probably sprinkle some red pepper flakes on it too.
Ooh, do you want me to do that?
I think it would.
When
it
I
would be
run
so
back in the
good.
house, I will add some red pepper flakes. So what we're gonna do, preheated oven at 375 degrees. You're gonna cook this for about 12 to 15 minutes till it toasts, gets nice and bubbly.
That is going to be some kind of that tasty.
Okay, I'm gonna go bake this. I will add your red pepper flakes and we will be back for the taste test.
I'll keep stirring. Well, we have us a light simmering going on, so now it is time to add 2 packages of spaghetti mix. Just meet your approval, Duker? Smell of this, does it meet your approval? Okay, I just want to make sure, because you're quality control. Gonna get this stirred up, mixed really well. I wish y'all get back, because I don't want none of this hot splash on y'all. Back off. Quality control is always hard at work. It's a dangerous job, ain't it, Mage?
Okay, Kent, it's time to reveal the secret ingredient.
There it is, Shan.
Are you shocked?
Yes, I'm very shocked, I am.
I told you it was simple, but it does it.
I have never seen something like this in my life, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. So we'll sprinkle, try to get it incorporated over.
Just gives it like a more depth of flavor. I don't know.
Well, how long has it been since you had this, though?
Actually, it's been a little bit. It's been a minute.
In a minute. There goes the second package of brown gravy mix that I know a lot of y'all didn't see coming. I sure didn't. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to thicken. I'll see you back on the other side, because I know I'm ready to taste this and find out about brown gravy in spaghetti sauce. Hey, Shannon, you ever heard that test where if you throw spaghetti on the wall and it sticks, it's done? It don't like much, but it ain't done yet. Well, there you go, sugar.
It's all done. Look at this bread,
I know,
first of all.
that's-
Like, this is amazing. It's got a little crust on it from that Parmesan. But I'm anxious to see what you think about Nana's secret.
Well, you go
spaghetti
ahead.
recipe. No, I want you to, and make sure you get some of that good sauce. And then I want like an honest reaction.
I don't know how you're supposed to eat this. I think this is how people do it, but they use a spoon.
I never feel like spaghetti's a first date recipe.
Now I just want just a little.
Give it
of
the
this.
sauce, yeah.
It's very rich.
Yeah. right? Because now, do you taste the brown gravy, but not necessarily? You
No, but I think that gives it its rich. It's like you added a beef pot roast juices to it. You know what I mean?
It's nothing like life-changing, but you're like, and the more you sit there, you're thinking, you need this? That's a pretty good spaghetti.
I want to just try a bite of this bread right here.
I mean, bread.
Them red pepper flakes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Love you. That right there is some kind of fine dining, I'll tell you.
Here, I know there's a lot of you out there that do not like mayonnaise. Or if you're cooking for a mayonnaise hater, just make it because you can't taste the mayonnaise. You don't know what it is. It just makes it creamy. I mean, talk about easy meal, throw together, family favorite. I hope my family's not upset that I shared the secret recipe.
Yeah, but we also need y'all to comment down here and let us know what was your favorite, like if you went to grandma's house and she cooked something, or your aunt or something like that, what was your favorite dish that you remember when you were little that you just thought, man, that hung the moon right there? Leave us a comment. We might try to figure it out and cook it.
Now, as always, everything we used, the printable recipe, we link it right below the video. I think you hit show more. It'll drop all that down, links to it, super easy. And don't forget, if you haven't heard, this year, we are starting a new podcast. And so it's so much, it's so hard for us to share all of the good stories and the behind the scenes in just our cooking videos. So we thought, hey, let's start a podcast. It's a great way for you to tell more cowboy ranch stories, just life behind the scenes. So in addition to our every Wednesday cooking video, we're gonna add another video in the week, which will be our podcast, but you can take us also anywhere you go on your favorite podcast platform like Spotify or Apple as well.
Yeah, and do me a favor, be sure and share with your friends and neighbors. Give us a like. And there's a lot of people been telling me, hey, I didn't know I got unsubscribed. I don't know what's going on. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you get notified when these great videos come out. And it's such a pleasure to have you on this side of the camera.
It's a little different, but I had to share the recipe.
But it is with pride, honor, and privilege that I tip my hat to all the servicemen and women and all the veterans that have kept that old flag a flying in there. Reach them arms out there, sugar.
Oh, we do a hug.
We're going to give them a big old hug. God bless you, each and every one, and we'll see you down. I'm reminiscing about the favorite recipe ever.
What was that? Let's do that again.
Okay.
No, just, yeah.
God bless you, each and every one, and we'll see you down the home. I want to say something.
Just best spaghetti trail.
God bless y'all, each and every one, and I'll see you down the best spaghetti trail ever.
That was better.
Sort of like a spaghetti western. Today we're sharing Shannon's family. That's a hard word.
Is that?
Yes.
You got a wild hair there.
Get around here. Duker, besides cheese, Duker probably loves pasta as good as anything in the world. And he don't never miss a bite. Woo woo. Snouse?
Just a little bit for him.
Oh, Duker.